Hi children, how are you all? Hope you are all safe and sound at the home. Okay, as you know, this time we have some worksheet for our academic year. So this is your worksheets for secondary stage level 1 and 2, 6th class English language. Okay, children, observe this picture carefully. After that, there will be 15 questions. You have to answer them. Okay, have you observed? So, the first question, what is the picture about? An ice cream cart, B. Cookies cart, C. Juice cart, D. Balloons cart. Which cart it is? Yes, it is an ice cream cart. Second question, the man is selling A. Samosas, B. Laddus, C. Gulab jamuns, D. Ice creams. What he is selling here? Yes, ice creams. Here your third question, what are the children doing? A. Enjoying, B. Fighting, C. Quarreling, D. Studying. What are they doing here? Yes, they are enjoying. Now, your fourth question. A girl is dash an ice cream. A. Throwing, B. Buying, C. Selling, D. Making. What is the answer? Yes, buying. A girl is buying an ice cream. Very good. Now, your fifth question. The ice cream man is wearing A. A cap, B. Shoes, C. Raincoat, D. Spectacles. So, what we can see here in the picture? Yes, A. Cap is the right answer. Sixth one. Which of the following is not in the picture? A. Children are buying ice creams. B. A man is selling ice creams. C. Mother is giving ice creams. D. An old woman is selling ice creams. Actually, who is selling ice creams here? A man is selling. So, which is not in the picture? Yes, an old woman selling ice creams is not there. So, answer D. Seventh question. How many of them are eating cone ice cream? A. 2, B. 4, C. 1, D. 3. Carefully observe the picture. Yes, only one girl is eating cone ice cream. Eighth question. The ice cream shop is A. In the room, B. On the floor, C. On the wheels, D. On the roof. It is a cart. So, what we have to say? On the wheels. Yes. Ninth one. Read the following numbered sentences. Choose the correct sequential order to make them a meaningful paragraph. So let us read numbered sentences. First one. It is on the wheels. Second one. We move towards the shop. Third one. Mom buys ice cream for us. Fourth one. There is an ice cream shop. Now tell me, which numbered sentence we have to write first? Yes, 4. There is an ice cream shop. Next. It is on the wheels. First one. Okay, next. Second. We move towards the shop. So final sentence. Third one. Mom buys ice cream for us. Very good. So finally, tell me what is the answer? Yes, D. 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 10th one. This is the last question in this section. So, which of the following sentence is related to the picture? A woman is selling vegetables. Is anybody selling vegetables here? No. Let's see. B. Two monkeys are eating bananas. Do you see monkeys here? No. Right. C. A little boy is buying ice cream. Do you see that? Yes. Anyway, D. There was a dog with the girl. Do you see any dog here? No. Then, which is the answer? Yes. C. A little boy is buying ice cream. Now, section 2. In the given passage, each numbered sentence from 11 to 15 has an error in the underlined part. Choose the right option to make it a correct sentence. Let us see the passage. This is a picture of an ice cream vendor. There is two girls. The child are at an ice cream cart. Children likes to eat ice cream. A girl is eat an ice cream. Children feel happiest when they enjoy. So, have you observed the underlined parts also? Okay, let us go to the questions. 11th question. There is two girls. So, underlined word is. It is mistake. We have to correct it. Okay, options. A. Was. B. Are. C. Have. D. Has. Which is correct here? B. Are. There are two girls. 12th one. The child are at an ice cream cart. So underline word child. A. Children. B. Boy. C. Girl. D. Pupil. So here there are more than one child. So we have to say children. Child is the singular, children is the plural. So answer is A. The children are at an ice cream cart. 13th one. Children likes to eat ice cream. Here underline part likes. Answers A. Liking. B. Liked. C. Like. D. Loving. What is the correct answer here? Like. Why? Children is the plural. So we have to use verb V1. Children like to eat ice cream. 14th one. A girl is eat an ice cream. So underline part eat. A. Eaten. B. Eating. C. Ate. D. Throwing. What is the correct here? Eating. Here the action is going on. So we have to use helping verb plus V4. Then a girl is eating an ice cream. Last one, 15th. Children feel happiest when they enjoy. So underline part happiest. A. Sad. B. Disappoint. C. Happy. D. Angry. We use happiest when we compare it with another things. Here there is no comparison. So what is the answer? Happy. Children feel happy when they enjoy. So finally the passage is, this is a picture of an ice cream vendor. There are two girls. The children are at an ice cream cart. Children like to eat ice cream. A girl is eating an ice cream. Children feel happy when they enjoy. Okay, children, this is assignment time. Home assignment. Section 3. Creative writing discourse. The answer to this question is to be sent to your teacher on WhatsApp or submit it in a notebook. Question. Draw an ice cream shop and describe it in few sentences. You may include how the ice cream shop looks, how the ice cream shop is surrounded by children, colors, taste of ice creams that he sells, how friendly he gives ice creams to small children and makes them happy. Okay, children, so draw a ice cream shop and describe about it. So send me the picture on WhatsApp. Don't forget it. I will be waiting for your answers. Thank you. Bye.